What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. I've been sick for about 2 weeks, so this is the official first video of 2020. Happy New Year's. I know it's like the 17th already, but hey, it don't matter. Anyways, I've been sick. Haven't been able to really get out of the house much. We're about to head to get some coffee because it's early in the morning, and then after that we'll go ahead and check out some supercars. If you're passing by, you need to this channel, you don't really know what to do, hit that subscribe button. And I'm gonna leave you with some cinematic kind of drone footage in about 1, 2, and 3.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
See that right there? This is why you drive a Hummer, because you don't care about little bumps and stuff like that. You just run over stuff. And that's the reason why this year you'll probably see me on an H1. There you go. Little speed bumps, don't worry about it. Not a big deal.
Damn. Yeah.
If there's one car that I've been trying to get, what I tried to get last year, and I didn't post any videos on it, is this guy right here. This one here belongs to this gentleman right here.
Skinny's World.
What? You should check out his YouTube channel. What was it?
Skinny's World. YouTube.
And then Instagram or what?
Skinny's_world.
There you go. Go and check out his videos. He just started not too long ago. Like I said, the reason why I didn't post videos on my hunt for an RA is because they kind of failed. But sometime this year, you will definitely see an RA on the channel. It may not be as new as this one. It's just 2017?
17, yeah.
It's a 17. You'll probably see me on an older one because I'm not a baller yet. But you'll see one in the channel. Definitely a nice vehicle. It's either gonna be this guy or an H1, but an RA is down the line.